Hi everyone! Do you have one of those coveted Singer featherweight machines with the basic accessories kit? If so, you're in luck. One of the seldom used accessories is the edge stitcher foot. Sue tells us that it has several uses, but today we are using it for pin tucks. Luckily, Sue's noticed that several of the newer machines have this extra attachment as well. If you do not like to hand sew pin tucks, or if you do not have the extra time for hand sewing, this foot makes a beautiful pin tuck less than 1/8 of an inch. Sue's sample is for a batiste petticoat. It is cut on the straight of the grain to be even at the top and the bottom. She measured for the bottom of the petticoat where she wanted the pin tucks to go, marking them at the placement where she wanted them. She clipped about 1/8 of an inch from one side of the fabric. She says to carefully pull one of the cross grain threads. Don't break the thread, you need to pull it all the way to the end of the fabric. Next, you will fold at the pulled thread and finger press, then press with an iron. Place your fabric through the edge stitcher foot as shown. Begin by placing your needle down into the fabric, then drop the presser foot. Start sewing at a medium speed. Going too fast, the fabric may get wavy. When sewing with this foot, making several rows of pin tucks, always start from the bottom and go up. If you want pin tucks in fabric that is not straight, mark from the bottom of the fabric about 1 inch across where each pin tuck should go. Then finger press and press with an iron. Place the edge stitcher foot and sew. You will still have a very narrow pin tuck. On behalf of Sue Mitchell, thank you for watching this training tidbit.